Hello everyone, welcome back to our math class. In the last class we have discussed algebraic identities. I think four identities, first four identities we have discussed in the last class. Today we are going to discuss the next identity, that is fifth identity. Okay, so let's start today's class. Okay dear students, let's discuss a problem related with the fifth identity. Okay, fifth identity is x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, see, this RHS is the expanded form of LHS. RHS is the expanded form of LHS. Okay, let's go to our first question. Write 3a plus 5b plus 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square in expanded form. That means we need to find the RHS of, okay, while comparing with this question with our identity 5, okay, we need this RHS term, expanded form. Okay, so while comparing this to LHS, see, x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 4b, z is equal to 5c. Okay, here x equal to what? While comparing with the when we compare this question with identity 5, we can say that x equal to 3a, y is equal to 4b, then z is equal to 5c. Okay, then using identity 5, using identity 5, when you write the answer, you should write the identity 5 here. Okay, I am not writing because I already wrote identity 5 here. Okay, so using identity 5, what is the question? 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square is equal to, what is x square? That is 3a whole square plus y square 4b whole square plus z square 5c whole square plus 2 into xy. 2 into x is 3a, y 4b plus 2 into xy, then 2yz. Y. What is y? 4b into z 5c plus next term is 2zx. 2 into, what is z? 5c 5c into x is 3a. Clear? This is the expanded form of this question. Okay, we have to simplify this. So, which implies 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square is equal to 3a square, 3 square 9, a square. Okay, 9a square plus 4 square 16, 16b square plus 5 square 25, 25c square plus 3a into 4b, that is 12ab into 2, 24, 24ab plus 4b into 5c, 20bc into 2, 40bc, 40bc plus 5c into 3a, 5 into 3, 12, 15, 15 into 2, 30, 30ac. 30ac. This is the expanded form of the question 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. Okay, here we have used identity 5. Clear? So let's go to our next problem. Okay, dear students, let's discuss our second question. I will read the question. All of you please listen here. Expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Okay, without any confusion, we can say that this question is related with the identity 5 because x plus y plus z whole square form. Okay, so here while comparing this question with the identity 5, we can say that here x is equal to what? Using identity 5, using identity 5 is the, here x is equal to what? X equal to 4a. Y is equal to what? Y is 2b. Is it 2b? No. Here minus sign is there. So y is minus 2b. Minus 2b. Then z is equal to what? Minus 3c. Minus 3c. Okay. So let's write the expanded form of this question. Before that, if we just write this question also in the standard form. That is, implies 4a x plus our standard form is x plus y plus z. Okay, so we should write plus sign here. X plus y is what? Minus 2b plus, what is that? Minus 3c. Okay, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to, clear? Is equal to what? X square plus y square plus z square. That is 4a whole square plus minus 2b whole square plus minus 3c whole square plus. I don't have space here, that is why I am writing down 2xy. 2 into x is 4a, 2xy is minus 2b plus 2xy, then plus 2yz. 2y is what? Minus 2b into z is minus 3c plus 2zx. Z minus 3c. Minus 3c into x is 4a. 4a. Clear? Then we can write the expanded form, which implies 4a plus minus 2b plus minus 3c whole square is equal to 4a whole square is 16 a square plus minus 2b whole square is 4, minus 2 into minus 2, 4 b square plus minus 3 into minus 3 square is 9c square, 9c square plus, here one minus sign is there, so sign should be minus, negative sign. 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16. Then variables are a into b, b. Then here minus 2b into minus plus, sign should be plus. Then 2 into 3, 6 into 2, 12. Then variables b into c, b, c plus, one minus sign, so not plus, here minus. Okay, 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 2, 24 AC. So this is the expanded form of the question, 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Clear? Okay, dear students, this is another type question, factorize type question. Okay, let's discuss. Factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Factorize means we should write the LHS. This is the expanded form. Okay, we need to find factorized form. Okay, in the last few classes also we have discussed like this question, right? Here using identity 5. When we look at this question, we can find, say that this question is something related to identity 5. Okay. So, using identity 5, 5. Okay, identity 5. 4x square, this question, what is the question? 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz is equal to, this is the expanded form of, we can rewrite this as, see, 4x square plus y square plus z. Here, in some terms, negative sign coming. That means y terms. Okay, the terms in which y present become negative. So, y should be negative. Y should be negative. So, 2x, 4x square, that means we can rewrite 4x whole square, 4x square as 2x whole square. 2x whole square, that is 4x square. Okay, plus minus y whole square. Minus y whole square is y square. Okay, plus z square, then plus 2 into 2x into minus y, 2xy. That means 4 minus 4, okay, minus 4xy, minus 4xy. Clear? Then plus 2 into minus y into z. That means minus 2yz, minus 2yz. Y term is negative. Here also y term negative. Okay. Plus 2 into 2x into z. 2 into 2x into z. See, just look at here. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2 zx. First z, then x. Okay. 2z into x, 2zx. When comparing with this term with our identity 5, we can write this is of the form what? 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz is equal to, this is equal to what? Equal to here. Okay, is equal to, this is expanded form of 2x plus minus y plus z whole square. This is the this term is the expanded form of, this term is the expanded form of this one. Okay, let's check. 2x x plus y plus z whole square, x square, 2x square, 2x whole square minus y square plus z square. Okay, x square plus y square plus z square, then 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so our question was this one. Okay, question was this one, and which is equal to, we got this is equal to this. That means 2x plus minus y plus z whole square. We can rewrite this as, okay, we can write 2 square is equal to what? Factorized form means what? Write in linear form. That is 2 into 2. This is this power of this term is 2. We need to write the term in linear form. That means the last question, in the last class also we have discussed factorization. That is 2x plus minus y plus z whole square, sorry, into 2x plus minus y plus z. Okay. Clear? So we factorize this term, term as 2x plus minus y plus z into 2x plus minus y plus z. This is the factorized form of this question. Clear? Factorized form of this question. Clear? So today we have discussed total 3 questions, identity 5 and 3 related problems. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. So it's the time to wind up our today's class. Thank you. Have a great day.